Me, your boy, the Zombies Player 180, and today I'm bringing you a Outbreak tutorial on how to get your guns, blue tier and purple tier by wave 1. And for this technique, it does require RNG. So by that, I'll show you right now what that means. So I'm pretty sure you guys know that side quest right here, the crystal one. That will come in handy to getting your gun purple tier. And for that, basically, you're gonna have to knife every zombie in the game to get 2500, which is enough to buy death perception. But in order for it to work, you have to have death perception at tier 3. And what it does at tier 3, it makes it so the salvage, you gain more of it from one drop of it. So instead of like getting, you know how the green ones would be like 10 points of like salvage, well, it makes it so you get like 12 or something like that, so you get more. Overall, it helps you get closer to upgrading your guns faster. And this is a technique that I kind of came up on my own, because I don't know if anyone else has done it, but if anyone else has done it, well, props to you, I guess. But this is what I found kind of useful. So yeah, so for this, you're gonna have to, like I said before, knife all the zombies or shoot them, get in 2500, and go to the Wonder Fist to buy Death Perception, and then do the side quests right after. Do not do them right now, do them after, because when you do side quests, it tend to drop a lot of salvage, and plus with Death Perception, it makes it so you get more, which is gonna help us out. And this is gonna be the last one you're gonna do, so you have to do the other ones first, like this one and over here, and the main one, while having Death Perception, but the crystal one goes in last. And I'll explain why when we get there. Okay, now that I check my map, I realized there's a helicopter right here. And when you shoot that down, you get like a lot of salvage. So I would say do not shoot that down. Do not go near it, because it will fly out of the map. So try to stay away from it until you have to buy the perk, and then shoot it down to get all that salvage. And if you get that helicopter right now in your game, then that's your luck, you could probably get even closer to like the legendary, which is like purple, not purple, my bad, orange tier. And that's pretty useful. Or like if you're gonna speedrun it, I suggest you do this, I guess. But if you're gonna just try to do high-run attempts, just do this technique and you'll get up there like quicker. Not quicker, but you'll get set up faster than you normally would. I'm gonna come in here, and this works on any map on Outbreak, because like it's obviously the same thing, just different map. Buy Death Perception, like I said. And after you buy it, you're gonna wanna do every other side quest. But since I see the helicopter here, I'm gonna try to shoot that down to try to get a lot of salvage. As you can see, I have 250 green salvage and none of the blue one, which is the premium one. You're gonna shoot this down. If you get this in your game, you're gonna shoot it down, obviously. Like I said, it's gonna be RNG. But even if you don't get the helicopter or the crystal side quest, you can still get your guns up to blue tier. You'll be very close to purple tier by the next wave, and you should have it there on the level. Watch my salvage go up with Death Perception. This is what I mean by you're gonna want Death Perception. This is a good example. So after you fed the dragon, it's gonna leave a chest behind. When you open it, it drops you salvage. So normally you'll get like 2 pieces of 3, but with this it'll actually boost you up even more. You see how it went up a lot? Now normally what I would do is like you can have like 2 more of your upgrades, so I'm gonna activate mine completely and then get it, so I can have another try at it. And now I have to go back here. You know what?
I enjoy taking his life.
Fourth threat exterminated.
Head for target location.
After this tutorial, if you got this crystal side quest, this is where the RNG comes in. Because if you didn't get it, well then that's GG's for you. I'm just joking. Yes, we get in next wave. So you're gonna have to do this. And if you're solo, it should be like 7 times. If you're co-op, it should be like 8 or 9, depending on how many players you guys got in your game. Oh, I'm missing it. There we go. Leave that right there and quickly come over here to the station and upgrade your gun. Run back to the ether tool and pick it up. And you'll have a purple tier gun. Now if you could find more zombies or chests, you could probably get like orange tier. But depending on what your RNG was, you'll probably get blue tier or orange tier. But if you get close to purple tier, you just get a next wave, and that's the tutorial for like this video. I have to edit most of the stuff out because it's like 20 minutes long, and who's gonna want to watch that? Nobody. So yeah guys, this has been the tutorial. Have fun with it. Get to high rounds, speed running, you know.